Welcome to CyberPros, Metasploit and Msfvenom Quickstart. Create your first reverse shell payload. First, let's confirm the Metasploit Framework is ready by starting and immediately exiting its command line interface, msfconsole. This is a quick way to see that the core service is running without launching the full interactive shell. Next, we'll use Metasploit to find modules for a specific service. By running a search for exploits related to vsftpd, we can see a list of available attack modules, which is the first step in planning an engagement. Now that we've seen exploits, let's look at another key tool, Msfvenom, which generates payloads. We can use it to list all available payloads for a specific platform and architecture. Here we're just showing the first 10 for a 64-bit Linux target. Before we create a payload, it's important to know what options it requires. Using the payload options flag with our chosen reverse TCP shell shows us that we need to set an LHOST and LPORT, which tell the payload where to connect back to. Finally, let's generate that payload using the options we just viewed. We're creating a 64-bit Linux executable file named reverseshell.elf that, when run on the target machine, will attempt to connect back to our IP address on port 4444, giving us a remote shell. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.